So makubuza ukuthi ubani best lyricist of the year, lapho suke kukhulunywa mhlawumbe ngomuntu kanjani. Best lyricist, the award is given to an MC with excellent penmanship, a skill to paint a vivid picture through lyricism, and has mastered his or her delivery. Nominates the best lyricist below by name. Wena nje ungafaka igama lomuntu obonayo outside enkundla le usiba ngempela hayi lucijile, yabo. Yiphi ingoma wena oneshow ukuthi hayi ingoma ekade anthem yesizini yonke, yabo. Le ngoma le besimengena lo mfethu ezoshaya noma lo sisi lo ethi shaya impahla le, kube ukuthi nje siyifila ngalendlela usivele siyicula impahla nje emnandi, yabo. Kodwa lana bachazile la ukuthi this is awarded to an individual or a group for giving us the most memorable song in season 3, a well-written and produced single with great potential of making it outside of Whole vs. Whole. Nominate your song of the year below in any memorable way. If the title is unknown, include the artist name. Alright. Shuthu wena kwakho ukuthi uye lapha ufike ucomment ukuthi yiphi ingoma lento yade ngiyichaza ngesintu ukuthi le ngoma le ila iringa lekhanda lakho ayipheli, yabo. Ibi ingoma ebhalwe kamnandi futhi eproduce kamnandi ene potential yokuthi ngaphandle kweHood vs. Hood le ngoma ingaba big. Ingoma yabale ibithi mina angiyena umuntu bekade yathanda kakhulu, yabo. Ngale ndlela ukuthi I'm not sure ukuthi ngizophumelela ema awards unless sikhuluma ngalokho ukuthi unless what. Yeah, ingoma ayikade ubona kahle ukuthi cha le ngoma le ngoma le blind ke ingoma lo muntu lo, yabo. Nje kuthiwa ngabe usayikhumbula ukuthi bithini, ungafaka igama lomnini wayo la ngaphansi uyivotele, yabo. Cha sekusena ama-hour ambala manje ukuthi ungavota. Best performance ngenzeka ke mhlawumbe ukuthi umuntu I'm just saying ukuthi kunama chances ukuthi umuntu one song of the year kubuyena futhi la kusha best performance, ukuthi phela ke vele ama best performers isikhathi esiningi akubo ukuthi mhlawumbe vele nengoma yakhe like i-hit, yabo. Kube ukuthi mhlawumbe yakhelwe mhlawumbe nje ama diss tracks kancane ukuthi song of the year ngayi diss track, ngoba la kuthiwa ingoma ene potential and most of our diss tracks are work on that well produced, yabo. And even well written. I don't think into njenge diss track inga qualify for a song of the year, but bengizama ukuthi ama chances ukuthi umuntu oshaya i-best performance of the year oshaya i-best performance kwi-season inama chances ukuthi ngabe lo ade vele nengoma eyi-hit eyi-song of the year, yabo. Ama chances makhulu lapho. I'm just saying. Angisho ukuthi lapha evotelana umuntu esenimvotele ngapha, yabo. La bayachaza ukuthi this award is given to an individual or group that has given us an outstanding performance in season 3. Nominate your best performance by name of an artist and the match below. Shoot lapana unane chance ukuthi uye kwi-page lapana ungene lapana kuma video because babewa post ama clips lapana ama matches ukuthi namhlanje bekudlala this hood and this hood bewa post, so ungakwazi ukuthi ungene lapha ukuthi lapha ungakwazi ukuthi attend, ukwazi ukuthi ngokubona kwakho ngokwabuka lama videos ubona ukuthi ubani umuntu kwi-season yonke, yabo, owashaya i-performance entswempu ngale ndlela ukuthi bonke from uqala kuze kuya kwi-final akekho wafika kuleyo match, leyo performance yakuleyo match leyo. Wena ungasho ukuthi match comment ukuthi kwakuyiphi match, kwakubani versus bani, ubani wayeperform, kuzoba easy lapho ukuthi ku reverse kuyobuka ukubona ukuthi hayi ngempela wadedela nomlisa lapha, yabo. So it's up to you, mlandeli we-Hood versus Hood, mlandeli we-KZN hip hop, mlandeli we-SA hip hop.